Yeah, let us find the quadratic equation factors. First of all, factors, I have written roots here, but I think first we should understand how to find the factors first, right? So these factors of quadratic equation by perfect square method. So what is the procedure actually? We are interested to find the procedure first, because without procedure, sometimes it will become a trial and error, and we'll get little frustrated. So instead of writing example, I think I should write it as general quadratic equation, but fine. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is our quadratic equation, or general quadratic equation, everybody knows. So what is the step 1? What is step 1? Divide by a across this equation. That means LHS as well as right hand side. So that what will happen here, this leading coefficient is a, x square into a by a becomes x square, right? And here it becomes b by a plus x. Here it becomes c by a is equal to 0 by a is nothing but 0. So there is I have not written 0 by a again, but instead you can also write 0 by a and then check. Then shift the constant term. Now what is the constant term? This is the constant term, that is c by a is the constant term. That c by a will go to the right hand side, becomes minus c by a. Okay, what is the next one? What is the linear quotient newly formed is x coefficient, that is known as b by a, and take half of the linear quotient now, that is x square plus b by 2a into x. Now see, this is b by 2a into, but as it is, we don't have a 2. That means we are unnecessarily introducing 2 in the denominator of the linear quotient. That is, we have to multiply the coefficient by 2, then this 2 gets cancelled. As it is, it looks as if it is b by a only. So if you are dividing by 2, you should multiply by 2. That is, then if these 2 cancels, you will get the same original equation. So this is the form, and minus c by a goes right. Now what should I do? This term b by 2a, which is formed by taking half of the linear quotient, that one now add or subtract by b by 2a whole square. So this you can see here what is happening here. So this is x square plus 2 into b by 2ax plus this, I'm adding this extra term which is taken b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square is equal to c. Now shift this extra minus b by 2a whole square to the right hand side. Okay, now this here, the left hand side is nothing but the perfect square, that is when it is a plus b whole square form. So you can write it as x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to something. Okay, I will show you, I will demonstrate in the next class. Bye.